Nature doesn't always rely on brute strength to hunt. Some animals have evolved hunting techniques so strange, so precise, and so unbelievably powerful that they feel more like science fiction than biology. Imagine a shrimp that fires a shockwave like a gun, a fish that shoots water like a sniper rifle, an ant whose jaws snap faster than the blink of an eye. Across oceans, forests, and rivers, predators are using bizarre and genius strategies to catch their prey. Today we're exploring animals with the most insane hunting techniques on Earth. Video PR. At first glance, the pistol shrimp looks harmless. It's small, colorful, and spends most of its time hiding among coral reefs. But this tiny creature carries one of the most powerful natural weapons in the ocean. Instead of claws designed for grabbing prey, one of its claws has evolved into something very different: a biological sonic cannon. When the pistol shrimp snaps its oversized claw shut, it creates an incredibly fast jet of water. That jet moves so quickly, it forms a bubble called a cavitation bubble. And when that bubble collapses, it releases a powerful shockwave. The blast is strong enough to stun fish, knock out crabs, and sometimes kill prey instantly. For a fraction of a second, the collapsing bubble even produces temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. All from a creature smaller than your thumb. In mangrove forests across Asia and Australia lives one of the most accurate hunters in the animal kingdom, the archerfish. But this predator doesn't hunt underwater. It hunts targets above the surface. Insects resting on leaves, branches, and stems may feel safe far above the water. But the archerfish has other plans. The archerfish lines up its target. Then it shoots a high-pressure jet of water from its mouth. The water blast hits the insect with surprising force, knocking it straight into the river. Within milliseconds, the fish darts forward and swallows the falling prey. But the most impressive part isn't the shot, it's the aim. The archerfish automatically adjusts for how water bends light, correcting its aim so the stream hits exactly where it needs to. A natural-born sharpshooter. Most spiders trap their prey with webs stretched across branches or hidden between leaves. But the bola spider hunts differently. It builds no web at all. Instead, it creates a single silk thread with a sticky ball at the end, like a tiny hunter wielding a lasso. But the bola spider has another trick. It releases chemicals that mimic the scent of female moths. Male moths detect the smell and fly toward it, believing they found a potential mate. Instead, they fly directly toward the waiting spider. At the perfect moment, the spider swings its sticky weapon. The moth is caught instantly, and the hunt is over. In the leaf litter of tropical forests lives an ant with one of the fastest weapons in nature, the trap-jaw ant. Its jaws are held open like a spring-loaded trap, locked into place and ready to fire. All it takes is a tiny trigger hair. The moment prey touches it, the jaws snap shut. The jaws close so fast they move at speeds over 140 miles per hour. That's faster than the blink of a human eye. The impact crushes insects instantly. But the jaws can also serve another purpose. When threatened, the ant can snap its jaws against the ground and launch itself into the air like a tiny jumping rocket. A perfect escape system. The mantis shrimp may look like a colorful alien creature, but beneath its bright shell hides one of the most powerful punches in the entire animal kingdom. Its front limbs act like biological clubs, and they strike with incredible speed. When the mantis shrimp attacks, Its club accelerates faster than a bullet. Above ponds and wetlands, one of the most successful predators in nature patrols the skies: the dragonfly. It might look delicate, but it is one of the most efficient hunters on Earth. Nearly 95% of its attacks end in a successful catch. Instead of chasing prey directly, dragonflies calculate where their target will fly next. They intercept the insect mid-air. Their brain constantly adjusts their flight path, predicting movement like a guided missile system. The result is a hunter so precise that very few insects escape once the chase begins. A tiny aerial predator ruling the sky. From sonic shrimp and sniper fish to lasso spiders and boxing crustaceans, nature has evolved some of the most bizarre hunting strategies imaginable. These animals prove that survival isn't always about size or strength. Sometimes, the deadliest weapon is creativity. And in the wild, evolution never stops inventing new ways to hunt.